Using this financial service allows you to access your money before payday, which is a significant benefit. With authorization, any outstanding balance will be automatically repaid from direct deposits to a check account from eligible sources. The best part is that there are no credit checks, no interest, and no mandatory fees involved. To use this service, you first need to set up a direct deposit. If you haven't already, you'll need to open a check account and meet certain eligibility requirements, including having 2 qualifying direct deposits of $200 or more within the last 36 days, or 1 qualifying direct deposit of $200 or more in the last 36 days, plus additional verification, or 1 qualifying direct deposit of $200 or more in the last 36 days from a government benefits payer. You'll also need to meet other eligibility requirements, which are outlined in the service agreement. After enrollment, you can check your available amount by visiting the service hub in the app to see how much money is available for advance. The next step is to choose your advance amount, which is based on your estimated income, with credit limits ranging from $20 to $500, and may change over time. You can select the amount you want to advance by following the prompts in the app, and the amount you can advance will be equal to or less than your overall credit limit. Both limits are displayed in the app, allowing you to keep track of your available funds. You then need to select the speed of your advance, with 2 options: a scheduled advance, which is deposited to your checking account within 24 hours and is fee-free, or an instant advance, which allows you to get funds immediately for a $2 fee. The scheduled advance is a free option, while the instant advance costs $2 per advance, making it a good choice if you need cash quickly, but you'll need to pay the $2 fee. Overall, this service provides a convenient way to access your money before payday, with flexible advance options and no hidden fees.